Folks, are Reddit traders squeezing pot stocks? Well, that's what we're going to talk into today's video. So let's jump in and get into it right now. Cannabis stocks are surging as the Reddit forum Wall Street Bets turns its attention to the sector. One Wall Street Bets user wrote that Tilray and Aphria are up 80 and 61% respectively in the past 5 or 6 days and still have more room to go according to Reuters. And my readers are asking me if pot stocks are the real deal or another short squeeze much like they saw with GameStop and AMC Theater a few weeks back. I honestly think, and this is my opinion, but the market cap in the big pot stocks is substantially bigger than what we saw with GameStop and AMC Theaters. And I don't see such massive short interest in the big names, which leads me to believe that the rally we are seeing is in fact the real deal. And the best part is there's some strong logic behind it. Imagine that. Now, the real reason for the explosive upside is new hope for near-term legalization in the US. President Biden and Democrats have indicated they aim to decriminalize drugs at the federal level. The renewed effort to reschedule marijuana has been a major boon for pot producers. While several states have either decriminalized or fully legalized the drug, a change of the federal drug law would open up the rest of the US and rapidly expand the marijuana market. Tilray soared on Tuesday after announcing a deal to import and distribute medical cannabis products in the UK. Imagine the UK's getting aboard. Canopy Growth leaped in the previous session after reporting better than expected quarterly figures and moving closer to turning a profit. Several industry CEOs have incorporated US marijuana legalization into their near-term forecasts. That's huge. Canopy CEO David Klein said in a Tuesday earnings call he expects Biden to decriminalize the drug and allow the firm to enter the US market in 2021. Tilray CEO Brendan Kennedy told Bloomberg TV that federal legalization could be achieved in the next 12 to 18 months. While the federal government has substantially more important laws to pass right now, especially with the COVID infections rising once again and impeachment of President Trump looming, I do believe the stage is set for legalization over the next few years. And these are the companies that I suggest you focus on to take advantage of what I call one of the lowest hanging fruits in the market at this time. First, I'll give you my two personal favorites, and then I'll get into a few of the bigger ones. My favorite play right now is GRWG, which actually doesn't have anything to do directly with pot. It's a classic golden shovel play. This stock provides supplies to help farmers grow marijuana. The bigger the industry gets, the more money the stock makes. It's just that simple. My second favorite stock in this space is Trulieve. It's an over-the-counter stock. Ticker symbol TCNNF. They're the biggest pot operation in Florida and continue to expand at a very, very fast rate. The company does everything from growing marijuana to selling it, and now is getting into edibles, which is an untapped area that's growing quickly. In terms of the big players, I like Canopy Growth, ticker symbol CGC, as the bigger company that doesn't seem overextended in terms of price or momentum. And if you want to get into the entire sector, there's the MJ ETF, ticker symbol MJ, which holds about 35 various stocks in the pot sector and will give you adequate diversification and growth within that sector. I hope that relieves some confusion and helps answer your question. And most importantly, I hope it helps. Folks, did you know that with very little effort and in just a few minutes each morning, you could spot the next set of potential winning trades? That's right. You see, a lot of huge trades are being placed before the stock market even opens. And if you can spot these before the bell rings, you can piggyback off these huge money moves and potentially make big gains with safe blue chip stocks during market hours. In fact, this pre-market strategy has already handed out 20 wins in the past 22 trades. This means you could earn thousands every single day, all while you're enjoying your morning coffee. Are you ready to get started? Click on the link below to get all the details. Do it now. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when we post our next video.